Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Bunga Widya Septiany, absen number 8. Now, let me tell you about how to cook rice in a rice cooker.
Who doesn't know about rice? Rice is a staple food for most people in Indonesia and other countries in Asia. Rice comes from rice that is cooked with the addition of water. The types of rice depend on the rice. Generally, the rice consumed as a staple food is white rice, brown rice, and black rice. Materials: rice and water. Tools: rice cooker and measuring cup. Next step: measure the amount of rice using a rice measure. Rinse the rice under running water to remove excess starch and drain well. Place the washed rice into the rice cooker. Then add water to the rice according to the dosage. And close the rice cooker. Plug the rice cooker and turn it on. Leave it until it switches to the warm setting, indicating the rice is cooked. After that, stir using a rice ladle. And rice is ready to eat.